What's up everyone, TechBird is here. So after the months of wait, Pixel 6 and Pixel 6 Pro were unveiled at Google's Pixel Fall launch event on Tuesday, October 19th. Both new Google Pixel phones come with the Tensor chip that is designed to offer better artificial intelligence and machine learning performance results. The Pixel 6 and Pixel 6 Pro also come with the new design where you can get a camera bar at the back. Both new models also come with the punch hole display design and run on Android 12 out of the box. Furthermore, the new Pixel phones are IP68 certified to offer dust and water resistance. So let's see the features that truly differentiate the Pixel 6 from the Pixel 6 Pro. Before proceeding this video, I will suggest you to subscribe this channel if you want to motivate us. First of all, we will talk about the specifications of the Pixel 6. The Pixel 6 is having the 6.4-inch Full HD Plus OLED display and will run on Android 12 out of the box. The display of the phone is having 90Hz refresh rate and Corning Gorilla Glass Victus protection. It will have dual rear camera setup that houses a 50 megapixel primary sensor with an f/1.85 wide-angle lens and a 12 megapixel ultra-wide shooter. The rear camera setup is coupled with laser detect autofocus and optical image stabilization. The Pixel 6 also carries a 8 megapixel selfie camera sensor at the front with an f/2.0 lens. This time Google has introduced some new features. The Pixel 6 has a feature called Magic Eraser that helps remove unwanted people and other objects from a processed photo. There are also preloaded features including a motion mode that brings preset action pan and long exposure options and real tone that is claimed to use software algorithms to offer accurate colors. The phone also includes face unblur and manual white balancing among other Google's exclusive camera focused features. When we talk about the battery capacity, Google has provided a 4614 mAh battery on the Pixel 6 that is rated to support 30-watt wired fast charging and 21-watt wireless fast charging. One more unique feature here is that it is having battery share feature to let users charge other devices through the Pixel 6 wirelessly. The Pixel 6 offers 128GB and 256GB onboard storage. When we talk about the pricing, the Pixel 6 price starts at $599. When we talk about the Pixel 6 Pro specifications, the Pixel 6 Pro runs on Android 12 and comes with 6.7-inch QHD Plus LTPO OLED display that supports a variable refresh rate ranging from 10Hz to 120Hz, which is definitely help it to rock the market. Pixel 6 Pro is powered by the same Tensor SoC that is available on regular Pixel 6. It is paired with the 12GB of RAM. When we talk about the camera, the phone also comes with a triple rear camera setup that brings a 48 megapixel telephoto shooter in addition to the 50 megapixel wide-angle camera and a 12 megapixel ultra-wide shooter. It means it is going to be the best camera phone of the year. Furthermore, for selfies and video chats, the Pixel 6 Pro has a 11.1 megapixel selfie camera sensor in the front, which is phenomenal. Just like the Pixel 6, the Pixel 6 Pro comes with the Magic Eraser, motion mode, real tone, face unblur and other custom camera features out of the box. The Pixel 6 Pro comes with the 128GB, 256GB and 512GB of UFS 3.1 internal storage options. As far as the battery size is concerned, Google has integrated a 5000 mAh battery within the Pixel 6 Pro that supports 30-watt wired fast charging and 23-watt wireless fast charging. There is also the battery share feature for sharing the power with the other devices over wireless charging standard. When we talk about the price of the Pixel 6 Pro, it will be available at $899. So that is everything we have got about the Google Pixel 6 and 6 Pro. It will be pleasure for me to know how many of you are interested to know more about it. Let me know in the comment section below, and your subscription to this channel will be great honor for me. Till next video, peace out.